Hey guys, Eli here, and boy, gold has did it. Gold has fell below its support levels of $1,800, and that's what we're talking about today. The price of gold falling, and we're starting now. If you guys love to talk about personal finance and mindset and you guys want to help support the Urban Lifestyle channel, start now by hitting that subscribe button, hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. And to all my thumbs up squad, make sure you guys show up for this video and leave that thumbs up. It's highly appreciated. I seen you guys been slacking off a little bit, so make sure you guys come up over here and give that thumbs up. It's really appreciated, like I said before. And make sure you guys comment your comments down in the comments below. And if you guys want to help support the channel even more, consider becoming a member of this here channel and have access to tons of exclusive content. Make sure you guys check down the description below so you guys can take advantage of some free resources. And if you guys want to join the conversation and talk to like-minded people just like yourself, make sure you guys join the Urban Wealth Creation Discord. We even have a tab on there where we talk about gold and silver, so make sure you stop by and say hi. So man, it's been crazy. I bought gold when gold was around 1,100 and I averaged around like 1,300. But as soon as gold went to $2,000 and stayed there for a little bit, I seen it hit its support level and it started going back down. I decided to sell all 6 ounces of gold I have. Now I know some of you guys may be saying, dude, that's the most stupidest thing you've ever done. Gold is going to $5,000 an ounce. Why the hell would you sell it for? Oh gosh, you're so dumb. And yes, that may be true, but the reasons I did that is because I saw a greater opportunity in silver. And I said it before, gold was practically at its all-time highs, but silver did not reach its all-time highs just yet and still haven't. So I believe the opportunity was more in silver. But this video is not about silver. It's talking about gold. What happened to cause gold to go below the $1,800? And will it go even lower? Would it go to $1,600, $1,500? Even better, would it go back below $1,300? Matter of fact, before I go on with this video, pause this video and I want you guys to take the time to actually comment down below and let me know some of your thoughts. Do you guys believe that the price of gold will go down, or it's just going to take off, or it's just a temporary setback? Now, here are some of the reasons I believe that gold is not above $2,000 right now and why gold is going down. I do believe that Bitcoin is coming in hard. With the rise of Bitcoin last year of hitting the lows of $3,000 and then the whole year after is at $56,000. Bitcoin is trying to reach for gold's market cap. It's not there yet, but hey, it has a chance. And a lot of people are gravitating towards Bitcoin. Now, I don't believe that Bitcoin is going to replace gold, but Bitcoin is a major player in the game right now. And if you're really thinking about it, a lot of people have the mindset of saying, hey man, they're trying to buy in Bitcoin so they can protect their money due to inflation, due to possibly experience inflation sometimes in the near future. Now, if that doesn't remind me of some other assets such as gold that does the same thing. I mean, way before Bitcoin was even a thing, when people wanted a way to protect their money, they went straight to gold. But now it's like we have two options. We have gold and silver, or we have Bitcoin. But you can buy an ounce of gold for $12,000 and you may make 50 bucks, or you can buy a Bitcoin and probably get thousands of dollars in return. So that is the main reason I believe that gold is going down and gold is not where it's supposed to be as of right now. But I want you guys to let me know what you think. Do you guys think Bitcoin is actually destroying gold? Comment down below, let me know. But as far as me, yes, I did sell all my gold like I said before, but at what price would I consider buying gold again? And I pretty much said it. If gold goes to $1,300, I would stop buying silver and focus all on gold. Will gold hit that prices? Honestly, I don't think so. And if it does, maybe no time soon. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys think we'll see gold at $1,300? Comment down below. Let me know. But at the same time, if it does go below $1,300 and the gold to silver ratio does tighten up a little bit more, I will focus on gold. Maybe not completely stop buying silver, because silver is still relatively cheap. Especially if the prices of silver goes down with the prices of gold, I'll still buy both of them. But if the prices of silver remains the same where they are right now and the prices of gold goes down, like even below 1,500, I may consider buying an ounce. Below 1,500, I may consider buying an ounce. But if it goes down to 1,300, I may buy 10 ounces. I mean, you never know. I'm just going based on how the trends are right now. But I feel the same way with Bitcoin. Now, I do believe there's some opportunity in Bitcoin, and I'll link you guys to either these videos right here so I can let you guys know what's my bullish thesis on Bitcoin. But as far as gold, because even if Bitcoin crashed like 50%, I would possibly think about going all in Bitcoin as well. But that's just my thoughts. I want to know what you guys think. So comment down below, let me know some of your thoughts. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Before we go, here is a word from our sponsor. Hey guys, Eli here. If you guys want to help support the Urban Lifestyle channel, consider becoming a member of this channel here. Got tons of exclusive content, videos uploaded every Monday through Friday, exclusive video courses. This is how I got thousands of dollars in the bank. Access to Silver Talk Uncut, Bald Head Shiny Guy. Access to a members monthly giveaway. Congratulations. A whole bunch of extra content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that notification icons, and to all my thumbs up squad, make sure you guys show up on this video and smash that thumbs up button. It's highly appreciated. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.